dire,
means to tell or to say. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to tell in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. To get the future stem of the verb, we will apply the rule of dropping the E at the end. We have already learned this rule in earlier video. Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will tell.
je dirai,
You will tell, in formal way.
tu diras,
He will tell, masculine.
il dira,
She will tell, feminine.
elle dira,
We will tell, formal way.
nous dirons,
You will tell, formal way.
vous direz,
They will tell, group of males or mixed people.
ils diront,
They will tell, group of only females.
elles diront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I would tell my family that I love them.
Je dirai à ma famille que je les aime. Je dirai à ma famille que je les aime.
You would tell your friend that you are there for him.
Tu diras à ton ami que tu es là pour lui. Tu diras à ton ami que tu es là pour lui.
He would tell his boss that he wants a raise.
Il dira à son patron qu'il veut une augmentation. Il dira à son patron qu'il veut une augmentation.
She will tell her best friend her deepest secret.
Elle dira à sa meilleure amie son secret le plus profond. Elle dira à sa meilleure amie son secret le plus profond.
We will tell our parents that we passed our exams.
Nous dirons à nos parents que nous avons réussi nos examens. Nous dirons à nos parents que nous avons réussi nos examens.
You will tell your teacher that you need help.
Vous direz à votre professeur que vous avez besoin d'aide. Vous direz à votre professeur que vous avez besoin d'aide.
They will tell their neighbors that they are grateful for their help.
Ils diront à leurs voisins qu'ils sont reconnaissants pour leur aide. Ils diront à leurs voisins qu'ils sont reconnaissants pour leur aide.
They will tell their friends that they are proud of their success.
Elles diront à leurs amis qu'elles sont fières de leur réussite. Elles diront à leurs amis qu'elles sont fières de leur réussite.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je dirai. Tu diras. Il dira. Elle dira. Nous dirons. Vous direz. Ils diront. Elles diront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.